Welcome to SK Tutorials. Good afternoon everyone. I am going to do seminar about motion topic. What do you mean by motion means? Simply it can be saying moving object is known as motion. See, one of the example I am going to show. This is object A. Consider object A. It is in rest. Now it is going to move. That is example to motion. Next, another example I am going to show you. This is rubber band. It is in motion. So it is in rest. It is going to motion. Next, I am going to explain about rest. What do you mean by rest? It is simply said a body is said to be in rest. It does not change its position respective to time. I am going to explain about types of motion. There are 6 types of motion. First, rotatory motion, translatory motion, periodic motion, circulatory motion, oscillatory motion. And now I am going to explain about these types of motion. Note this. Now I am going to explain these types of motion. What do you mean by rotatory motion means? The object which is rotating continuously, it is known as rotatory motion. Example, a moving wheel continuously, it is rotating. This is also example for rotatory motion. Another, rectilinear motion. I am going to explain about rectilinear motion. Hello friends, I am going to ask one question. See, a body is moving. It is in rest or motion?
Rest.
No, it is in rest or motion?
No. Rest.
It is moving. What is this? It is in motion or rest? Comment in answer box. Now I am going to explain about oscillatory motion. Oscillatory motion is nothing but to and fro motion. Check this. Consider this is an object. Consider this is an pendulum. To and fro. This is an example of oscillatory motion. Now I am going to explain about rectilinear motion. Rectilinear motion means nothing but straight line motion. Consider this is straight line moving now. This is also example of an rectilinear motion. Next I am going to explain about uniform motion. Uniform motion means continuously repeating with same motion. This is nothing but uniform motion. Circular motion. The object is rotating with circular motion. See, this is rotating in circle shape. This is example for circular motion. Now I am going to explain about periodic motion. What do you mean by periodic motion? Motion repeated in equal intervals of time. Okay, take screenshot. Now I am going to ask some questions. Can I rub this screenshot? Hello friends, I am going to ask some questions about discussed topics. Question number 1. How many types of motions are there? If you know, comment in Instagram or YouTube or in Gmail. I am going to give 1 minute time. Second question. The object is moving in circle motion. Which type of motion that one? Comment in Instagram. I think you may answer these questions. Now I am going to answer those questions what I asked. First question. How many types of motions are there? Means there are 6 types of motion. Second question. The object is moving in circular with repeated same time means it is moving like this object. It is circular motion. Okay, I answered those questions. Now I am going to discuss with you about some topics like speed, velocity, acceleration, equations and questions asking. I think already our experts discussed with you about 2 courses in our SK tutorials. There are 2 courses. First course is 200 rupees course. 200 rupees course. In that providing PDF, worksheet and exams will be provided. And in that 400 rupees courses, in that special courses will be provided. If anybody are interested, please comment in Instagram. And if you join any other students, 50 rupees concession will be there. Don't forget to join. If you are interested, please comment in Instagram or Gmail or YouTube. Please join. This is our channel ID. If you are any interested, please join. In description, link also will be there. You are in doubts, please comment in Instagram. Now I am going to discuss about speed, topic speed. What do you mean by speed? Speed is nothing but distance by time. Note this equation. This is most important equation in speed. Another topic I am going to explain is velocity. Velocity means displacement by time. This is also very most equation in velocity. Consider this is a circle. An object is here. It is moving from here to here. That is known as distance. A object is moving from here to here. displacement. What do you mean by displacement? We can consider that shortest path traveled by an object is known as displacement. Note this point. This is known as displacement. Now I am going to rub. Anybody are interested, take screenshot. Now I am going to discuss about acceleration. What do you mean by acceleration? Rate of change of a velocity is known as acceleration. Take screenshot. Hello friends, these four formulas and equations are more important in higher classes, and these are the most important formulas. Take screenshot. When you are going to upper classes, this will help so much in physics, and in next class I am going to ask some questions. In this class no questions, only basics concepts. Thank you. Hello friends, in next classes I am going to discuss about only questions, no basic concepts. In this class already I explained those basic concepts. If you are interested in given description box, link is there. Please subscribe our channel. This is our Instagram channel, YouTube channel. Please like and subscribe. If you have doubt, please ask in Instagram. Thank you.